Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Anugrah Fidian. You can call me Rizky. I'm from Computer Engineering B class. I'm Polytechnic State Negeri Padang. In this video, I will explain to you how my view on the development of computers, how computer can change human life, and how computers in this next 10 year again maybe. In my opinion, computer have developed very rapidly at this time. Computer have arrived at the five generation. The five generation computer are called the Pentium generation because of their use is the one of the most sophisticated microprocessor and have started use PC standard. Computer in this generation also have million of color with very sharp resolution. In addition, at this time, mobile computers such as laptop began to develop and are currently still being developed. The goal is to be able to create a computer device that is able to communicate with human, is able to use visual input and learn from personal experience, which certainly help facilitate human activity in daily work. Okay, the presence of computer can change human life. There are many impacts caused by this computer technology, both positive and negative impact. I will tell to you some example positive and negative. Okay, the first is the positive effect. The first, helping day-to-day activity, such office work correspondingly, which is usually handwritten. Now we can type on a computer, so it can shorten the time, and maybe this is more effective than we are to write in this paper. The second is in the health sector, because after the invention of computer, microscope, X-ray, ultrasound, and other things were found which are very helpful in the world of health. The third is make it easier to get information and support the work of globalization, because it makes a world without a border, as if one word is close to the other part to the world, that human can get information easily. So this is make we can get more information easily without we like the past we just can get information by newspaper or by people to people. So this is very make easy to all human in the world. If I explain the positive impact, and this time I will explain to you the negative impact. Okay, the first one is the social and psychological impact. For example, addiction and being too dependent on computer, so that people don't interact with other human, which make computer user not care about their surrounding. Using computer continuously will affect human emotion, because it does not develop optimally, so that human become individualistic. Okay, in the first point, we are human. Human is social human. So we need to talk about we need to talk with the other, so that in this era we just focus on the computer, but we don't care about anything about our habit, our in the house or school or maybe in the office. We don't care about anything, so we just keep focus on our work. Okay, the second is in the field of education, because computer make people lazy to to a segment and get used to living in a practical way. Computer can change human life for the better, for the worse, depending on the how response developed in computer technology in modern time. So in this point, just because we can get easy information, that have a bad impact too. And this example is we are to live in a practical way, so we don't want to know about anything like we read the book newspaper, or we study in other conditions. So we just search in the Google, and this is so practice, so this is not make we want to know about anything about the other. Computer will continue to develop as long the technology is still there and developing. It is predicted that in the next 10 years, computer will have artificial intelligence, or we can call AI, which is the ability of machine or computer program that is made so they can think and learn like human. The main purpose of artificial intelligence itself is to improve computer function related to human knowledge. For example, reasoning, learning, and problem solving, and of course, it aims to help human activity as a major transformation in the digital world. These two technology will certainly have a big influence on the way we live our life in the future. So maybe in the easy, simple, the artificial intelligence is more like the robot. So this is so the technology is like learn like human. So this is very very help we human to do some activity. Maybe just it that I can tell to you. I'm sorry if this is not. I'm sorry if I do some wrong word, or this is not perfect. I'm sorry. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.